Hey. Huh.
My lord, I wonder.
They said it will be fun hiking. Yo. Nitafika nikuwa white kama mzungu. Ama ni slide tu nifike huko chini.
Hi guys, come with me, let's hike Mount Longonot. It's a good morning and this is the day the Lord has made. I am rejoicing, I am excited and I am energetic. No sooner had we begun the journey than we arrived at Maimayu. So I was trying to record the moment but distractions everywhere. My enemies don't want me to prosper, so it's like, si lazima by the way. We continued, we proceeded with the journey. Mimi hapo na krako zangu. And then eventually we were here. We began with some stretching and then we were set for the journey. So yes. Here it is. And the starting point is here, and guess what? We are very ready for Tuesday.
Nice.
Now the journey begins for real, for real. And this is where we are heading to.
Nishaanza kuparara.
Now let me tell you, Maina. Hapa watu walianza Usain Bolt and it wasn't a motivation. The more people went further from me, it was such a demotivation. Juku keep up, nayo singeweza. And I'm not and I don't want to be a frequent hiker. Clock it. Hapa easy stairs ilikuwa 1 million and I started rethinking my decisions. Like all my decisions. Alafu huyo anauliza kama tuko fiti. Akisikia nikihema already anaweza shangaa sana. One thing about me, at least I wasn't the last person. What a confidence booster. So since I couldn't keep up with the pro hikers, I was like, I ain't stressing myself. I rather keep up with my own pace. Nimalize hata hiyo midnight. And then I began hiking with some Chinese family.
Rethinking all my decisions. Hey. My lord. Nimefika lakini. Angalia, hebu onyeshe kiko. Nakachokora.
Yes, she is doing it. She is strong.
Guys.
As we continued, we saw people coming back. Hi, karibu nirudi na walai. Anyway, so yes, finally we were here. We were at the crater, guys. Now we gotta go around. Achana na kufika hapa juu kwa crater. Going around the crater is where the work begin. Many people finish the journey over here, by the way. But I gotta finish what I started, so that I do not get the motivation to come hiking again. Like, I don't know why I'm here. Unaweza shangaa mbona na wipe dust and I haven't seen it all. Bado, yani bado. Hey. So let's go around the crater. So we got to a point and I was like, God damn it, mtoto mdogo, watch yourself. Juu sasa nitapanda, imagine. Okay, let's go. Energy, energy, energy. Najeni by the way, safari bado. That was just the beginning.
Oh my God. Hey. Hey. Huku ni wapi? Eh? Hey. They said it will be fun hiking. Yo. Hey, nitafika nikuwa white kama mzungu. Yo. Hey. Hapa ni wapi? Ama ni slide tu nifike huko chini. Hey. Hey. My Lord. Nimetoboa.
Here I am. But if you think I'm thirsty, but you don't know what's coming.
The crater. Everybody, the crater.
Guys, we are finally here. Oh my goodness.
I cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe my eyes.
I can't believe it. Mzungu alikuwa anashangaa, like alikuwa amepigwa na butwa. Yaani mlima ndogo kama hii inajitesa hivi. Anyway, the important thing is I'm here.
Tumefika kilele wapendwa. Hapa ndipo summit.
At the top. Haikuwa rahisi but nimefika. Period. Clock it.
So this is the summit. This is the highest peak and we are glad to be here. Okay, time to go back.
Like mnipe tu niseme, nipeane tu speech nikiwa hapa tu juu. Then all of a sudden I started contemplating if this is really worth it. Nijikute tena, wallahi nijikute tena. And this is the road on my way back. And then we got back to the crater and the people were so many at this point. Hey, watu walikuwa wengi. Well, the wazungus are waking up very early to come hiking. Kenyans ni saa 5, 12 mmejazana kwa crater. Ai, kwani mlima inaenda wapi? And the best view of it all is this. Oh my goodness, seeing my ride back home. Such an amazing scenery. I want to cry, guys. Oh my God. So lovely, people. That is it. Time to get back my energy. And these are the shoes. Oh my God. And the jacket, let's just leave it at that. So I had to get to shower and get ready for the great journey back home. Great journey. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for sticking around till this very end. I love you so much. Bye.